Hello students, welcome. In this session, I will discuss what are management's responsibilities. You know that financial statements are prepared by management. So it is management's responsibility to prepare and fairly present the financial statements. And management has to prepare the financial statements in accordance with applicable financial reporting framework. They should be fairly presented in accordance with applicable financial reporting framework. And in our case, applicable financial reporting framework is US GAAP. So these financial statements are to be prepared and fairly presented in accordance with US GAAP. Another management responsibility relates to internal control. I'm talking about internal control that is relevant to the preparation and fair presentation of financial statements. So it is management responsibility to design, implement, and maintain such internal control. Internal control that is relevant to the preparation and fair presentation of financial statements. Examples of such internal controls are bank reconciliation. It's a type of internal control that relates to preparation and fair presentation of financial statements. Controls that exist in any organization to ensure that all payments to vendors are duly authorized. Controls to stop inventory theft. Controls regarding valuation of inventory. All these are internal controls that are relevant to the preparation and fair presentation of financial statements. Management is also responsible for providing all necessary information and accesses to the auditor so that he may do the audit properly. So it is management responsibility to provide all the information to the auditor. It is management responsibility to provide access to all the persons within the entity. So auditor should have access to all the data, all the information, all the records, all the minutes of meetings. Auditor should have access to that. Auditor should have access to employees in selling team, accounting team, employees in legal team, internal auditors. Auditor should have access to all that so that auditor may do the audit properly. So it is management responsibility to prepare the financial statements, fairly present the financial statements. It is management responsibility to design, implement, and maintain internal control. And what internal control we are talking about? Internal control that is relevant to the preparation and fair presentation of the financial statements. It is management responsibility to provide access to all information and persons within the entity. All right, students, I hope this is helpful. We'll connect again. Goodbye.